It starts with a whisper, a familiar voice, your boss, your parent, your best friend, calling you at 2 a.m. asking for money. But it's not them, it's a synthetic ghost crafted by AI. Welcome to the new frontier of scams. In 2024, scammers weaponized AI voice cloning, perfectly mimicking anyone's voice in seconds. CEOs lost millions, families were torn apart, the line between reality and deception vanished. Meet Sarah, a small business owner. One phone call cost her $50,000. The voice on the other end was her husband's, except it wasn't. AI had cloned him from a single voicemail. But here's the twist. The same AI tools scammers use can become your secret weapon. Imagine automating your side hustle with AI voices, creating podcasts, ads, or even virtual assistants without ever recording a word. Step 1. Get familiar with AI voice generators like 11 Labs. Step 2. Use them to build passive income streams, voiceovers, audiobooks, or personalized content. Step 3. Stay one step ahead by learning how scammers operate. The future is a battlefield of voices, some fake, some real. Your power? Knowing the difference and turning AI from threat into opportunity. Don't get caught in the trap. Use the same tech that tries to fool you to build your empire.